6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage 2 ESR, décollage.
The inaugural flight of the European Space Agency's new Ariane 6 rocket successfully launched on July 9th from Europe's spaceport in Kourou, French Guiana. Development of the Ariane 6 began in late 2014. Its predecessor, the Ariane 5, completed 117 orbital missions from 1996 to 2023 before retiring, leaving Vega as the sole operational orbital rocket in ESA's fleet. The introduction of the powerful Ariane 6 aims to reduce dependency on SpaceX's Falcon 9 for launching large payloads. In its maiden flight, the Ariane 6 delivered 9 CubeSats into orbit, all successfully deployed approximately 370 miles above Earth.